Hello students, welcome to online lecture session of subject DWPD. Today we are covering unit 3, which is working with PHP arrays and functions, and the topic name is user defined function in PHP. Objective of this video lecture is what is function, syntax of function, then example of function, passing argument by value and passing argument by reference. Now, first of all, what is function? A function is a block of statements that can be used repeatedly in a program. It is a logically related statements that are used to perform a specific task. A function is a piece of code which takes one more input in the form of parameter and performs some processing and then return a value. In PHP, it provides some built-in functions, means already functions in a PHP, and also give user to create on function. A function will not execute immediately when a page loads, but it executed by a call to the function. Now, syntax of to create a user-defined function in PHP. Function is start with the word function. The syntax is first write function, then function name, and in bracket, in parenthesis, write argument list separated by comma. Then in next line, open curly bracket and then write the related statements to be executed for the function and then close the curly bracket. A function name can start with a letter or underscore, but it cannot start with a number. Argument list is a collection of variables separated by a commas, and after declaring a function, when we want to call a function, then just write function name, then parenthesis, open parenthesis and close parenthesis, and then semicolon. Now, example of function. In PHP script, write one function, write message. Function is a keyword. Write message is a function name. Here, I am not to pass any argument to this function. So just open and close the parenthesis, and here in one statement is used to write of write message function, which is a echo statement. So write echo hello world in between open curly bracket and close curly bracket. This is the code for function, create a function. Now whenever we want to call the function, then just write the function name and then parenthesis and then semicolon. If user want to pass the argument, pass the variable, then user can pass the variable in this parenthesis, and this variable is received by the function as a argument, and then it perform a specific task on that variable. Now output of this simple code is just hello world. Now function can used as a four-way, like function without argument, without return type, means whenever when we call the function, then a user cannot pass any user is not passing an argument, and this argument is declared inside the function. Then function perform some task and then just print the value inside it. Means the function cannot function is not return any value. So here for that I use one example which perform sum of two number. So in PHP script the function code is like this: function sum. Here the function is without argument, so this function name cannot accept any argument. So the variable is declared inside this two bracket, $a equal to 5, then $b equal to 10, and processing statements $c equal to $a plus $b. And after performing the sum, just print the answer inside the function. Okay, so write echo statement sum is $c. Now this is the code for function sum, and after completion of this code, call the function using the function name, which is a sum, and then open bracket and close parenthesis, open and close parenthesis, then semicolon. So whenever this code is executed, then first this statement is come sum bracket, so it goes to the function sum, then take this two variable value and perform sum and just print the sum, and after that return to the next statement after this calling function. Okay, so here I just declare variable inside the function and just print it. So this is a function without argument, without return type. Now second category is function with argument and without return type. That means here I pass argument as a variable, I pass value, and then function receive this value and perform operation and just print answer inside the function. So here I write function sum. Here function is a sum to perform a sum of two variables, sum of two numbers. So I declared two variable as a here, pass this two variable inside the function $a comma $b, and then processing statement and then echo statement. Okay, after declaring the function, write two variable $a and b, because this two variable is passed in calling function. Okay, so here I write sum, then $a and $b. Now these two variable is 5 and 10. This the value of variable a and b is 5 and 10. This is sent by this sum calling function and received by this sum function. So here the function sum receive 5 and 10, and then it performs the processing and then print the answer. So this is a function with argument and without return type, and the answer is sum is 15. Now third category, which is a function without argument with return type. That means no argument is passed along with the function call, but return statement is used. So here I write one code, same function sum. Here argument is not passed. Okay, so argument variable, so I have to write two variable inside the function, which is a and b, then perform sum, and then return statement is used to return the answer. So return $c. Here I am not using echo statement. Okay, now after completion of this function code, I write echo sum is, then dollar, then dot, then sum function, sum calling function. Okay, whenever this statement is come, means first statement is this echo sum is, then sum function. So to perform a sum function, the cursor will be goes to the function sum and then execute this code, and after that return $c, means final answer, means 5 plus 10 equal to 15, then return 15. 15 is written here. So my output is sum is 15. Okay, so this is the third category. Now fourth is function with argument with return type. That means function, whenever we call the function, we pass the argument with it, and then function performs some work, and then after that it return value. Okay, now here I declare one function sum, argument is received by variable a and b, then processing statement inside the function, and then return statement. Okay, this is the code for function sum. Now I have to pass argument, so I have to declare two variable before the passing this argument. So I declare $a and $b, and then I write echo sum is dot sum $a and then $b. So whenever I come to this code, then sum is, then sum function $a and $b, then it send these two value a and b, means 5 and 10 to the function. So this 5 and 10 is received by the function sum 5 and 10, then it performs some operation on 5 and 10, and the answer is 15. 5 plus 10 is 15. So 15 is stored in $c, and $c is returned, means 15 is returned to this sum $a comma $b. So my answer is sum is 15. Now next is passing arguments by value. Means whenever we use a function, and in a function when we call the function, then we pass some argument. This argument is passed by two ways. First is by value and second is by reference. Whenever we pass argument to the function and we pass the value of the argument, then these arguments are copied into argument variables declared inside the argument list of function. Okay, and when we called function, it works with the copy of argument instead of the original passed arguments. So any changes made to these variables in the body of the function are local to that function only, not reflected outside it. That means whenever we change the value, this value is changed only in the copy argument, not in the original argument list. Now this passing argument by value is understand by this one program, which is a swapping of two number. So I declare one function which is a swap, which receive two variable $a and $b. Okay, now first I write the logic of swapping of two number. So that I use one variable which is say $c. First of all, I put the value of $a into the $c. Now in $a I put the value of $b, and then in $b I put the value of $c. This is the logic of swapping of two number, similar in any other programming language. Okay. Now after declaring this function, creation of this function swap, I write PHP script with a declaration of two variable $a and $b. Then I write first statement, means echo statement before swapping the value of a and b variable. So I write here echo a equal to $a and b equal to $b. After that, after printing this value of variable a and b before swapping, I call the function using the swap function. Then here I write $a comma $b, and then I write same statement echo after swapping, and then echo a equal to $a and echo b equal to $b. Okay, here I pass the value of variable, means I passed value of variable a and b, so that first of all 5 and 10 is passed to the swap function 5 and 10. Here value is passed, so this function created two another variable a and b, and it stored the 5 and 10 as a value. Okay, and it perform changes in this local temporary variables value, and after that, after completion of this function swap, the code is returned to the next statement after the main function call swap. So here after swapping a equal to and b equal to statement, this two statement is executed, so that the output of this code is, first of all, before swapping we know that the value of a and b is 5 and 10. Okay, then function call is there, so this function call is only pass the value or argument by value. So 5 and 10 is passed to the function, but here the function receive this two value and store in another two variable a and b and perform swapping on this two variable. So this changes is made within this function only, not in original value of a and b. Okay, so the output is same like after swapping a equal to 5 and b equal to 10. So no swapping procedure is performed on original argument. Now second is passing arguments by reference, pass by reference. When we want to work with original variable, means I have to change the value in original copy, not a duplicate copy. Then I have to use call by reference or passed argument by reference. When arguments are passed by reference, the function works with the original variable instead of copies of that variable. For that, I have to use in function definition ampersand sign in with each argument. Okay. Now let us see one practical of same practical swapping of two number. So write here the same code function swap $a $b, then swapping logic, then same two variable is used a and b and same code. Okay, this is the same code like a previous code which is used by passing by value, but only one changes is made according to the previous slide. Means in function definition I use the ampersand sign with each and every argument. So here $a and $b is two argument, so here I write ampersand sign. This is the reference sign. Okay, so now when we use this before swapping, it prints the value of a and b, original value 5 and 10. After that here pass 5 and 10, but whenever when function is called swap, then the cursor is arrive here and ampersand 5 and ampersand 10. That means it considered as the original variable a and b, and the changes is made in original copy. Okay, so original copy is changed, means 5 and 10, instead 5 and 10 it changed to 10 and 5. So whenever after changing this two variables value, when the cursor comes here after swapping the value of a and b, so here I print, here I received change value, means swapping value. So the output of this code is, before swapping the value of a and b is 5 and 10, and after swapping the value of a and b is 10 and 5, because here the changes is made in the original argument. Okay. Thank you.